So watch. Take a couple fingers, scoop some of this up, and watch. I'm gonna force it in here with these bearings. So lubricate it. See? Watch.
Can I try?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Smush it in there.
Smush. 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 Smush.
That goes one good. All in there. Okay, I'm gonna spin it.
Yeah.
What we're trying to do is try to get this grease in the whole entire thing so it's not dry. Okay? Okay, take some more. I'm just gonna mush, see?
Okay.
Now let me get this bit done and I'll let you, okay?
Okay.
Hang on. It'll take a bit. Yeah, I know. It's look at that. Okay.
It's like toothpaste.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Yeah, mush it in there. Push. You want to push it. Work it in that. Nice.
Mash.
Yeah, put some in my palm. Take it, scoop it up, put it in my palm. Yep. Okay, palm. Perfect. Now watch. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go bam.
Can I do that to mine?
Well, no, you get dirty. I'm trying to conserve the mess. Okay, so let's get this extra out of here. Try to put it back in somehow.
Why do you use that?
Hang on, it's grease. Wheel grease for this bearing. See? Okay. Well, I'll drop that in there. And now we have a mess. But hang on. I'm gonna clean off the spindle here, so that's what this is. Okay, so watch. The spindle is where this bearing rides. Okay?
Do we get to do the others?
Yep, both fronts. Both fronts have spindles. The backs are a little different. They have axle bearings. Okay. Okay.
Daddy, I'm going to put the bag right here.
We'll go ahead and open the bag.
Open the bag?
Yep.
Okay.
So I'm going to change these springs on here. Well, they're no good. So these